You searched how to buy shares of Daldrup Soehne AG, a German drilling and geothermal engineering firm listed on Xetra under the ticker 4DS.de. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 4DS.de to find Daldrup Soehne AG. Choose the listing that shows Xetra as the exchange to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the listing is Daldrup Soehne AG on Xetra with ticker 4DS.de before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and then confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to explore the platform further.